74.
74.
74.
Demander quelque chose.
Asking for something.
Asking for something.
Pourriez-vous me couper les cheveux?
Can you cut my hair?
Can you cut my hair?
Pas trop court, s'il vous plaît.
Not too short, please.
Not too short, please.
Un peu plus court, s'il vous plaît.
A bit shorter, please.
A bit shorter, please.
Pourriez-vous me développer les photos?
Can you develop the pictures?
Can you develop the pictures?
Les photos sont sur le CD.
The pictures are on the CD.
The pictures are on the CD.
Les photos sont dans l'appareil photo.
The pictures are in the camera.
The pictures are in the camera.
Pourriez-vous me réparer la montre?
Can you fix the clock?
Can you fix the clock?
Le verre est cassé.
The glass is broken.
The glass is broken.
La pile est vide.
The battery is dead.
The battery is dead.
Pourriez-vous me repasser la chemise?
Can you iron the shirt?
Can you iron the shirt?
Pourriez-vous me nettoyer le pantalon?
Can you clean the pants?
Can you clean the trousers?
Pourriez-vous me réparer les chaussures?
Can you fix the shoes?
Can you fix the shoes?
Pourriez-vous me donner du feu?
Do you have a light?
Do you have a light?
Avez-vous des allumettes ou un briquet?
Do you have a match or a lighter?
Do you have a match or a lighter?
Avez-vous un cendrier?
Do you have an ashtray?
Do you have an ashtray?
Fumez-vous des cigares?
Do you smoke cigars?
Do you smoke cigars?
Fumez-vous des cigarettes?
Do you smoke cigarettes?
Do you smoke cigarettes?
Fumez-vous la pipe?
Do you smoke a pipe?
Do you smoke a pipe?